Okay, sharp. Awunyambose madoda. Thatha mfana kithi. Now watch again. Right? You bafethu. There's your teammate sekazi uyavela in the picture because you are not passing him the ball. Siyabanika bayasinika. Siyabanika bayifuni. They need to do better. Can't be slippering when every time when you see Ulilep. Bedroom eyes. Phezu kwakhe mfana kithi. Bedroom eyes. Yashelela. Cross. Phakathi. Sanibonani. Welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch. The best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Sekhukhune 0, Kaizer Chiefs 2. Great result for Kaizer Chiefs. They've cemented their that position, right? So they qualify for CAF. If they want to win the league, they need to buy players who are comfortable on the ball. They need to do that. The first half of the game was terrible to watch. Second half, more aggressive from Kaizer Chiefs, created a lot of goal scoring opportunities. You cannot have 2 or 3.5 players who are good on the ball. When I'm saying who are good on the ball, I'm talking about players who can play in tight spaces. You can't have that. The best teams in the world, or the best teams that win Ama League, they are comfortable on the ball. They are able to keep the ball in longer spells. What the Chiefs were doing in the first half was poor, right? Sekhukhune, on the other hand, came with the game plan of playing long balls. They just didn't do it kahle, right? I'm going to show you that, and I'm going to show you some of the things that Chiefs need to improve on. They are very good in counter pressing or win the ball in the middle, and then when they win the ball in the middle, they need quality players who make quality decisions. Right? Now, let's start. Banabas Sekhukhune, right? Their game plan, long ball. Remember how they beat Kaizer Chiefs in the first round, right? It was long balls, long balls, long balls. But when you play long balls, you have to, if they say you are playing the ball to me, if you play the ball to me, you need to play it when there's people around me, right? Where kinale support mfana kithi. Because if you play Africa, there's no one around, or I have to chase it, what's the point of doing that? Watch here. Then akasikori mfano. Here's another long ball mfana kithi. Ariye mfana Sekhukhune le very difficult. Angeke score so. In this clip, they do much better. But now, when we play it long, let's say ball siyalwina, we keep it. We need to do better. Hey, bamshayile. Long pass, beautiful pass. Now we control it. Now there's what? There's an option. Angithi. Wenzani unku? He makes a run there. And makes the run there to open up his space la. Okay, sharp. Play. There's space now in the middle. Now we need to do better when we are here. We need to do better. We need to be quick. Look how many Chiefs players. You have to give credit to each Chiefs. Look how many players are in the box. Now, you have to be quick. We have to be quick. Angithi sidlale fast. The ball. Now you can't be dizzy-dallying on the ball. Angithi, you got the ball. Give this guy. Give your winger the ball. Trap and pass. Not this thing there, what you are doing. Why? Trap ibola umnike amthathe if uzomthatha. There's a friend of mine who favor Chiefs. The whole season he's been saying Chiefs fans deserve better. The football that they are playing is not good on the eye. And I kind of understand why, and I agree. You cannot have a Simango when they're supposed to play a simple pass. Right, guys, just think about it. The first thing that you are taught when you start playing football is to trap and pass. If you have a professional player that doesn't know how to trap and pass, or when to pass the ball, or how to pass the ball, it's a problem. I'm not just saying Msimang, right? But a whole lot of players who PSL. Chiefs need players that are comfortable on the ball, that will simply pass the ball. Simple pass, not a diagonal pass. Right? I don't know if it was a game plan near Chiefs, but it looked like it, especially in the first half. Right? Now, here is Msimang. There's so much space here. I'm not gonna talk about formations. Ne? So if there's space here, this is Ululepula, right? And then it means Umunyane, he's all alone on this side, even though he's not on camera. Ne? It means he's all alone this side. Now, Ipola Liers and Msimang. Now Ipola Liers and Panagit. Why this? You can still see there's two guys. Abes Kukunila. Why don't you pass the guy? Pass. I don't know. I think maybe Bayalwa, or it's just that Msimang is not comfortable on the ball. He doesn't like playing the ball close to him. I don't know, but every game this guy does that. He does not want to pass the ball on the right. For what reason? I don't know. Now watch. He doesn't pass. Now look, ungena phakathi, uzivalela space. Okay, sharp. Awunyambose madoda. Thatha mfana kithi. Now watch again. Right? You bafethu. There's your teammate sekazi uyavela in the picture because you are not passing him the ball. Sekazi uyavela ufuna iball. Now, okay, sharp, it's a mistake. Now, it's very playing a diagonal pass, guys. Ne? The chances of us winning that ball are very slim because if you think ukuthi ibhola mawulikhahlela bese lifika la le space lesizobe sisakhona, then you are delusional because when the ball moves, everyone moves. The right back will move there. Then it's gonna be very difficult for a teammate. Right now, you put your teammate under pressure. If you play a diagonal pass, it's either your teammate has to have an option or he's isolated with the defender. Meaning, take you one-on-one. I'm gonna show you another clip. Now look what happened here. Okay, because Usherelile, right? Usherelile azanga khahleli ibhola kahle. Now I'm gonna show you more clips. Another clip. I understand why he tries to play the long pass, right? It is because there's no options that will come here. But your teammate is here, Mfanagit. Your teammate is here. Your teammate is here. Pass him the ball. Played long. Ne? A very difficult pass. This was a good pass. Now, did your teammate have options? Did he have options? Because like I said, you can't have 2.5 or 3.5 players who are comfortable on the ball. Omori is not comfortable on the ball. He just plays in J. Let me take it back and let's see if he had options there. Umori, okay, ball is there. Okay, maybe it was an option, right? Diagonal pass. I'm gonna show you another one, right? When you play a diagonal pass, you put your teammate under a lot of pressure. Look, Libomo dilena tap and pass. Ufuna tap ibhola kanje. Another diagonal pass. This time it comes from the left center back. I think this is the right center back. Left center back. Umunyai wenzeni, he's pushed up front. Ne? Great pass. Poor control. Right? When you play diagonal passes, I'm not saying they are bad, guys. When you play them, you put your teammates under pressure because you have people rushing Bazaguwe. You need players that are comfortable on the ball, who can trap the ball very well. One last clip, Diago, and then we move on, right? Nyambos. Yeah. Throw in. Kaizer Chiefs are very good at counter pressing, right? They win the ball in the middle, but they need to do better. They need to do better. Kukune has the ball. Siyabaniga. Bayasniga. Siyabaniga. siyabanika bayasinika, siyabanika bayifuni. They need to do better. Imagine they won the ball twice, bafika la, right? But still, in terms of decision making, yabo, right? It could improve. Basinikile ibhola, siyabanika, right? Bayasinika, siyabanika bayifuni, kanti sifunani. Siyabanika bayifuni bafethu. Man. La good recovery la. You need to do better Modi. Awudlala uyi-1 mfana kithi. If there's a player ku PSL, that thinks highly of himself and he's not that good, right? It's that guy. Number 15 is Kukun. Always making wrong decisions. Angazi why. Always making wrong decisions. Upasa bani la. Because now you're just clearing the ball, EJ. Siyabanika by fool. Unlucky there. But what I'm saying, I'm going to show you another clip. We need to do better. Another clip. Now, remember what I said about this guy. You are putting us under pressure, my man. Now, Chiefs Yenzani counter press what they are good at. We need to do better as the Kaizer Chiefs. I know when you you can't be holding on to the ball is courtesy. You need to release the ball. Release the ball, my man. Ulunile, great, sharp, ilako. Now, pass Mpanagiti. This guy is coming. Pass the ball to Serino. We need to do better when we're doing a counter attack after counter pressing. We need to do better with our decision making. Kaizer Chiefs need to buy players that make good decisions. Chiefs had a great opportunity to score in the first half. Right? Ball from the keeper. Nyambo Sematot. Serene. Lilepo. This was a good movement here. Silver Fox. Now, the pass could have been better. The pass could have came forward. This is a pambi. But when Nyambo say we are improviser. That's very good. Now, finish. Hit the target. Mpanagiti. All we ask for when you are faced with the keeper, right? When you are faced with the keeper, yes, defenders are rushing in. But if you are faced with the keeper, the best you can do is to hit the target and not score. Hit the target, Mpanagiti. Try target. Second half, guys. Second half, Sekhukhune continued to play long balls. Didn't work. The game plan didn't work, right? Yes, Kaizer Chiefs, they are vulnerable when you play long balls, but it didn't work. Then the Chiefs, they were more aggressive in the second half. They really showed what they wanted 3 points. Now, those of you who have kids that want to play ball, remember, Guti, not everyone can be a striker. Someone needs to defend. Now, I'm going to show you how not to defend. This is what you must show your kids, right? Whenever you defend a one-on-one, right? Whenever you decide, whenever you defend a one-on-one, right? This is a one-on-one. Okay, let me play the clip. This is not how you're supposed to defend a one-on-one. This is totally wrong. I'm gonna stop it here. If you see this, he's straight in line, right? Whenever you defend, when it's one-on-one, I'm a defender, right? So he's standing like this because he's saying he wants him to go this side. So if you want the player to go to the right, it means you must close the left-hand side. It's that simple, right? Defending is all about timing, right? It's about telling a striker or a winger, I want you to go there. And then when he goes there, you need to know what you are going to do. Because Maumeso, he can come in here, he can come in here. And then after that, you must not make a decision, right? He needs to make a decision first. Am I going to the left, to the right, or to the left? a strike, then you shift. I would when ufaginya when the so. This is a foul. Let me show you another clip. Here's another clip. Chiefs is attacking. Great pass. Obrigado. 1 against 1. Ow, mfanagit. This time, ne? this one is actually this is bad. The second one, it is bad. It is totally wrong. It's bad. Now, Obrigado ukhahlela ngo left, right? Sharp. So this guy, he is saying to Obrigado, go to the right of his right. Oh, okay, let's say this guy is saying go to the left, but he closes the left hand side. Kanjani? You can't tell someone to go to the right, but you're closing the right. Njani? Kanjani? You are opening up this space. You should be here. You should be here. Plus, Obrigado is small frame and it's sasemnan. So the moment Magal push a ball, you are strong, you are big. You can foul him. Not this thing here that you are doing here, my friend. Eh? I'm fanagit. Eh? Chance Kaizer Chiefs, Sereno should have done better. Right? Remember in the first half, when McCarthy played a diagonal pass, he played it to who? To the right back. Umunyani, right? Umunyani bebamkhipile. Now watch. This boy can pass. Great pass. Great control. Now, Kaizer Chiefs. Amakhosi amahle. Amakhosi amakhulu. Amakhosi amahle. Amakhosi amakhulu. This was a great movement. Great movement. Just bad finishing or poor finishing, right? He was put under pressure, but I'm going to take it back. Amakhosi amahle. Amakhosi amakhulu. Now, the first goal came via a cross. Now, ball comes. Now, as a striker, I always say, you give yourself an opportunity to score a goal. Put yourself in a position where you'll be able to score a goal, right? Usilva didn't do that. He didn't do that because there's no way the ball is no. Find yourself space, right? It's either for me, always come here, my man. Always come here. Always come here. Always come here. In front of the keeper or in between the keeper and the defender. And it's always because now the ball comes when now Uyemetima should have scored there. Sereno. The next clip, I'm showing you this clip because Ikole Chiefs Maliza. I want you to remember, you cannot be when you're a defender, whenever you are attacked, you sleep. Yasharela. Another chance Kaizer Chiefs where good movement. Second half, they did much better. Much better. Now, Sereno is moving there. Great movement by Ulilepo, bedroom eyes. And it's moving into this space. Now, Abo Coutinho, you've been playing in the league for so many years. You can't give someone too much space. Why don't you guys communicate? Great pass. Silver Fox. Good goalkeeping there. We are Mbonia Kichima. Horseman. Uyale. Now you just go there, man. Good play by Kaizer Chiefs and good play by the keeper. Good teams keep the ball long enough. They rotate the ball. You have to rotate the ball. The Chiefs in the first half didn't rotate the ball. It's courtesy. You have to rotate the ball, Wafid. Obrigado. The ball is on the right hand side. The Kaizer Chiefs is gonna go where? To the left hand side. When the ball goes from the left to the right, you'll always find space. Watch this. Look at this space. This was actually a great idea. Oh, this was a great idea. Beautiful from Ungo. just that execution being echo pashash. Ne defending here our marabafit. You can never. Whenever I need to guys go back 4, right? Sometimes you go back 5, right? Each space has to be equal from the right back, right center back, left center back to the left back. It needs to be equal. Yes, sometimes uzo stretchega there, but Gwamele see shift fast. Now, the ball is here, so it means everyone needs to shift. Now this guy is walking, he's in the park. Look at the space. Look at the space. Goal the Kaizer Chiefs, the first goal, right? Remember the left back. What I said earlier. We should do better, guys. Now here we should do better. Aiko in the than conceding a goal when we had a chance to go and score. Aiko in the poor decision making up front. Yeah, okay, sharp. Now remember what I said about the left back. You can't be slippering when every time when you see Ulilep. Bedroom eyes. Pesgwak and Panagit. Bedroom eyes. Yashelel. Cross. Tagat. Inside. You can't. Every time when you are being attacked, when you are being put under pressure, we are shelela. And then we must blame. Who must we blame? Why don't you put the right soccer boots? And here I'm gonna blame the keeper and the center. One center back. Now he is covering. The one center back is covering the left back. Cause who ice skating. Now this center back, you need to cover the angle. You need to cover the angle. Yalla. Forget about it. If Ulilepo plays the ball here, it's not your fault. Then if anything is defend, if they play the ball there, go penalty spot, then we can go and close. We can go and close. But I need to cut this ball. You need to carry it in Panagit. Carry it. No mashilwane liya na Mfanagit. Awe na mashilwane. Mashilwane Mfanagit. Mara. Larjisa mara. Liluna mara. Mashilwane munai. Whether hauna muthu mfethu, hauna muthu, wena hauna muthu, hauna uri nathi makile mangmang. No. Cover him. Now, you need to cut this ball. Cut it. I don't want to cut. So you must cut this ball here. You can't be straight in line here. Because at the same time, I wanted to blame the keeper. But when I see the speed of the ball and where the ball is, you should be cutting this ball, my man. You should be here. This is the danger, man, here. Forget about people that are here. No. Mara Mfanagit. Last clip, bese ngiyayivala. Sugu undangala, right? Remember what I said, defending is it's I wouldn't say it's easy, but it is much better when you have the timing, when you put yourself in the right position to defend, then it becomes easy. But the most important thing, get timing. Ana timing. I'll chislet Mfanagit. Now, there, Mfanagit wena mara, mashilwane Mfanagit, bafethu, penalty. The ball is going there. The ball is going there. You must think, ukuthi, lo muntu lo mangya ophethe ball. How many options does he have? Yeah? He can't score. From here, he can't score. He can't score. So you know, ukuthi, this guy he won't score. So you need to relax. Ungafuni ukuphelela. You need to relax. Yeah? And see ukuthi uzoyenzani qala. You cannot uyithesa kangwana mfana kithi. Uyithesa kangwana because you are not in the right position. Uyagijima nje uyakuye. No. Mwana wawubona hore utraka utomuchayisa. So uyenzani ufaka amafutha, ufaka accelerator, usile. When you went out of the field, yena is still inside the field because wenzeni ubrikile wena wabrika. Timing mfana kithi. Timing. Alina timing. Upangilibeli timing. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Ngiyabonga.